Hi and welcome to Wafter.com. In this video, I am going to show you how to create and use Signal stickers on your Signal Messenger app. The Signal Messenger's PC version has the option to create and use stickers through their own application. I'm going to walk you through that, but before that, please see the video which I'm giving in the iCard above to know how to install and use your Signal app on the PC. And then since we have the limited options on the stickers here, I have also made another video on how to use these custom stickers from the third-party websites. So now let's get started on how to use and create stickers from the Signal app. Click on the file option at the top and you can see this create or upload sticker pack. So clicking on that will bring up a pop-up. You can see this the sticker pack creator. Add your stickers. So the stickers they have some kind of criteria to be followed. The images should be PNG, APNG or WebP format and with transparent background. So obviously the stickers will be in a transparent one, and also they have some dimensions like 512 cross 512 pixel and recommended margin is 16 pixels. So I have some few images which I just followed these conditions. So some images of Jackie Chan. So I'm going to use these images to make a sticker pack of Jackie Chan. So just I'm dragging and dropping here and then clicking the next button. So you can upload how many more images you want. So you can click on the plus icon and add a few more images to the sticker pack. So I'm clicking next. So clicking next will bring up the emoji section. So you can add emoji icons there. So this is to whenever you choose an emoji icon, it will suggest you some stickers. So this is for the reference. So I'm picking some emoji which suits those sticker reaction. So once this is done, click the next and you have to give your sticker pack a title. So I'm giving Jackie Chan as the name, and since I collected these from Google and I'm giving the credit to the creators. Okay, once this is done, click next. So you can also choose the cover image, so if you want to change the image. So once this is done, click next and click upload, and so you can see this pop-up where it shows how it will be appearing in the sticker section. You got a link, just copy it and share it with your friends so they can also install it in this way. Also you can do FB, Twitter and WhatsApp share. So I'm using this URL right now in my browser and it shows a pop-up to open Signal. So you can see that these stickers got installed in my Signal app. I'm going to try it right now. You can see the Jackie Chan's icon here and the 4 stickers that we have created right now, and it's working. So just you have created a sticker pack in like some 2 minutes. So you can also use Photoshop or any other tool to create a PNG image with a transparent background and with the 512 cross 512 size. So this will be like very much simple for you to create and use. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Wafter.com.